Ready to do some hiking on the Ice Age Trail? Hey, how's it going? Welcome to A Breeze in the Pines. My name is Richard, and we're at Minnesota's Interstate Park, just across the St. Croix River from the Wisconsin Interstate State Park. So behind me, someplace back there, is the Western Terminus of the Ice Age National Scenic Trail. Runs about 1,150 miles entirely within the state of Wisconsin. So the Western Terminus is at Interstate State Park here in St. Croix Falls. Well, actually, we're in Taylor's Falls in Minnesota. And the Eastern Terminus is at Potholes State Park on the Door County Peninsula. And the trail follows the outline of the last glacial period in Wisconsin. It crosses city, county, federal, and private-owned land. The trail is about 60% complete. There's still 40% of road walking or connector routes. You can take whatever connector route you want, as long as you connect your footsteps and you hit all the trailheads. So as long as you have a continuous footpath, when you complete it, you'll be considered a 1,000-miler. I have about 1,100 miles to go. So since you can do your own choice of road walks or connector routes, your mileage is going to vary. So the trail is starting to get national recognition. More and more people are actually through hiking the trail, but it's still very much a section hikers or segment hikers trail. There are very few through hikers. A lot of people do complete the trail over and over again. But as far as a continuous 2-month journey, there's very few that have actually done that. Part of the reason is there are very limited camping opportunities, especially down in the southern part of the state. So you'll be doing a lot of motels, and a lot of people get assistance from trail angels. So I'm only doing a week a year, as I actually live in Arkansas. So if you want to see more of the trail than what I can show you, Goob's Adventures just did a through hike this year in 2024, and I've also found Adventures with Tula, a guy and his dog, or a dog and his human, section hiking the trail, and they show a lot of the trail. Both those channels show a lot of the trail. I think the first person that actually videoed a through hike is Constantine with Hiking America. So his videos are pretty helpful also, and also Chica and Sunsets have a good video series on the Ice Age Trail. So the Minnesota side is supposed to have the most and the best potholes, so we'll take a look at those real quick.
Now, probably coming once you rest, coming more to your right is going to be easy.
That way?
Yep. You can walk all the way over on that ledge.
Here I thought mountain bikers were crazy. This is a pothole, but nobody knows how deep it is.
Right foot over just a foot or two in that one crack. A little bit more. You bring it over more. Right there. There you go.
Oh, I see. Okay. Back.
Okay, the Minnesota side is pretty cool. But we got some more hiking to do. So I'll catch you in the next one.